Today in this video, I have a Frigidaire professional series oven and stovetop. And currently it makes a chime noise every minute. And this can certainly drive anybody nuts. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn that off. I don't know if you caught that, but it made the noise right when I was turning the video off. That noise right there. So this is what the oven looks like. It's got 5 burners on the top, stainless steel. It is Frigidaire Professional, and it has a drawer on the bottom. When I pull out the drawer, I can see the model number, and it is FPEF 3077 QFP. I imagine this solution is probably gonna fix multiple models, but what I found is that this chiming noise turns on whenever the light bulb is illuminated. I don't know if you can tell in this video, but that is brighter than the timer. So it means that there's the noise. It means that it has this feature on. So if you click and hold on it, the icon dimmed just now after I clicked and held onto it, and that's gonna end the insufferable dinging and chiming that it does every minute, on the minute, for hours on end. All right, I hope that video was helpful for you and it brings some peace back to your life if you've been living with the chimes and the dings constantly every minute for a while. I don't know how that setting got turned on, but I'm in a rental and people will play with settings sometimes trying to figure things out. And for some reason that happens a lot. So it's now been quiet for a whole 5 minutes, which is abnormal. It has been dinging and chiming constantly. So thanks for watching.